Welcome back, big queens and kings and all you rolling betweens. I'm back with another Cook With Me video. So today is Taco Tuesday. However, I'm not in the mood for any tacos, but instead I would love to have a Mexican pizza. As you know, Taco Bell has Mexican pizzas. However, guys, they've already taken the Mexican pizzas back off the menu. So I said bump that. I'm just going to go ahead and learn how to make those myself. So today I am going to make a Mexican pizza, and it's very simple. So if you want to learn how to make a Mexican pizza like Taco Bell, stick around and watch me make this Mexican pizza that's simply fit for a queen. Okay, so for your Mexican pizza, you will need some ground beef. You will also need some tostados. I got the old El Paso tostados. You will also need some Rotel diced tomatoes. You can dice your own tomatoes, that is fine as well. Also, you will need some refried beans. I got the Taco Bell original refried beans. Some Velveeta shredded cheese or some shredded cheese of your choice. Some thick and chunky salsa, and also you will need some taco seasoning. I got the Taco Bell mild taco seasoning mix, and that is it for all of your ingredients. So let's get into it. Okay, so first you're going to start off with grounding your ground beef, and I love using my little skillet pan. You don't have to add any seasonings or anything like that until your ground beef is all the way cooked. So I'm just going to ground this up and break it down into smaller little pieces. Okay, so now I'm going to add my seasoning mix, and again I'm using the Taco Bell mild taco seasoning. So first I'm going to go ahead and add in 3/4 cups of water. All you have to do is read the ingredients on the back. I'm going to add in 3/4 cups of water. And I'll mix that all together. Just like you making regular tacos, basically. Now, depending on how much ground beef or ground turkey you use, it might require you to add another seasoning pack or half of a seasoning pack. So I'm going to do that because I added more taco seasoning. Because I added more, because I have more ground beef than 1 pound, I'm going to add some more taco seasoning to this. You don't want to add too much because you don't want it too salty. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and let it simmer some more. So now I'm going to put my ground beef into a container because you want to use the same pan that you use for your tostados. And you can drain some of the grease out of your ground beef. That's why I normally like to use turkey meat, because it doesn't accumulate a lot of grease. Okay, so now what you want to do is go ahead and set your oven to put it on bake and set it to 350 degrees. While the oven is preheating, we're going to go ahead and get our refried beans. And I'm using the Taco Bell original refried beans. And we're going to put those into a pan and warm those up. So we're going to put those into a pot and warm those up. And they are very thick. And you want to use the same pan that you use for your ground beef. Like I said, you only want to cook them for a couple of seconds on each side. Then you want to remove them from the pan and place them on like a paper napkin so that you can drain any excess grease. Okay, now it's time to put it all together. So we're going to start with one of our tostadas at the bottom. We're going to place some refried beans on top and spread it around. Next, we're going to take our ground beef and place it on top of the refried beans. I like to next take some Velveeta cheese and place it on the inside to get a good cheesy melt. Then we're going to take our next two tostadas and place them on top and press them down. Next, you can use either some salsa or you can use some taco sauce. I'm going to use some taco sauce. And so I'm going to spread this on top of the tostada shell. Next, I'm going to place some more cheese on top. And lastly, we're going to use our rotel diced tomatoes, or if you chopped up some tomatoes yourself. That already looks delicious. All right. Lastly, you're going to just put it in the oven until the cheese melts. Okay, once your cheese has melted, you can go ahead and remove it from the oven. And voila! Your Mexican pizza. Oh, it looks so delicious. And there you have it, your very own Mexican pizza. I like to chop mine up into 4 squares. Oh, can't wait to dig down into this. Okay guys, that's it. Your very own Mexican pizza that's fit for a queen. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye. See you next time.